Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create new project in Visual Studio Code Easy VS Code tutorial. So welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll show you how to create a new project in Visual Studio Code. Whether you're working on web development, data science, or any programming project, setting up a new workspace in VS Code is simple and efficient. So let's get started. To begin, we need to go ahead and download VS Code if you haven't installed this onto your system. So just head over to the official website, which is code.visualstudio.com, and download it for your operating system. So these are the following operating systems that are available in here, and just click onto which one is your device. Right after, follow the installation instructions for your system and launch Visual Studio Code once installed. So after installation, you'll just need to go ahead and click that. And on the first launch, you'll see a welcome screen with options to get started. So since I've skipped that part already, we're already here onto its page since I have installed this before. Now to create a new project folder or before creating a project in VS Code, you need to create a folder on your computer that will hold all your project files. So you'll just need to click onto file in here and then navigate to where you want to store your project. So you'll just need to right click onto open a folder in here. And then right after, just choose in the folder that you want to use. So there are a lot of folders that are available in here. You could go ahead and right click on a blank space in here to create a new one. So if you have already created one, just go ahead and click onto that specific folder to open that here onto your VS Code. And right after the folder is now open as your workspace, you can see it here already onto the Explorer panel. Now to create a new file inside this specific folder, there is this icon in here that is a new file icon. So you could create a folder as well inside this folder, but we're gonna opt for creating a new file in here. You can name your file depending on your project. So for example, if you're doing an HTML, you'll just need to go ahead and name this sample.html. So just make sure the last part of it is .html so that it should be recognized as an HTML file. Or if you're doing Python, you could add here .py or .c. So just choose which option applies to you. And once you have created that, you should be able to go ahead and see something like this. So it will automatically open in here the file. Now you could start coding in the file that you have created. And as you can see, I have a test HTML in here wherein it has an HTML code already. So you could also install some extensions in here that would be helpful. Like for example, this HTML code that I have, we could go ahead and run this onto a live server. Just click onto extensions here onto the left side, search for live server and install the specific extension. Once you have completely installed that one out, you'll just need to go ahead and open the file. And there is a go live option here onto the bottom part. If you go ahead and click onto that, it should go ahead and automatically open your local browser and it should go ahead and show you the text that you have written for your HTML code. And that's it. You've successfully created a new project in Visual Studio Code. You can add more files, folders, and extensions as needed to build your project. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.